What's up, YouTube? Guess what? I'm back. Yeah, I've been on my Kindle too long. Yeah, I'm gonna do a reaction video. Just for fun. Just do a reaction video on my YouTube channel again. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. Just got my channel open. Let's see some good videos. Ooh. Let's watch my most oldest show. Copyright reasons, I'm gonna show you it. But copyright YouTube. So I'm gonna copyright quick. This video is gonna be a sneak peek video, but anyway, hello YouTube. What the hell? Buy now on Monday. Since I've got 100. Spoiler. Where's the audio? What? 9 movies before we hit. Oh my god, I laugh. Oh! God. Why did I do that? I guess it was just TV. That's stupid. This is so dumb. This is a dumb baby. How is that loud? Okay, that's what those shorts. Let's go on more older videos. So if I said a Twitter, you're like, this is because I just... You will hear me say, wait, this video will contain some bad words. That's all I'm going to say. Yeah, first EAS video, but hold on. Copyright. I'll be using the copyright for that. This is going to count the EAS video. Re-upload, by the way.
The state of Alabama has issued an emergency blue alert.
The very first EAS video re-uploaded.
For your assistance in locating Randy Lee Wade. Wade is being sought in connection to the injury of an Alabama state trooper and is believed to be a serious risk to the public. Wade was last seen on November 19, 2021 in approximately 11:45 p.m. in Alabama Highway 28 and I-2059 in Livingston, Alabama. If you have any information regarding the location of Randy Lee Wade, please contact the State Bureau of Investigation at 334-676-7250 or call 911. Period. The civil authorities have issued an invalid until 01:12 p.m. for the following counties in Alabama. All call /.
First EAS. New EAS. New EAS.
Thanks for listening to WDFA The Blizzard. We are currently conducting an automatic weekly test of the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
Really, this will actually count. It's not a reaction video. The second EAS will be recorded.
The preceding set of tones were an automated weekly test of the emergency alert system on WDFA. This test is conducted every Saturday at 12 p.m. in coordination with the Olive Branch Weekly Siren Test. WDFA serves the Memphis metropolitan area, as well as the entire United States via IPAWS Common Alert Protocol and other portions of the United States via the Internet Alert Relay Network. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. We now return to regular programming.
Okay, that's enough of that. Whoa, that's not a video of mine. Sorry for that. Brief blip. Now, it's in the video here, and that's it.